Hi everyone and welcome to week 5. I apologize for posting a video late this week, but today is really the day we're getting started on our peer review. So this week you should read an article that I've posted for our reading this week through the consortium library, but the big work you're doing this week is the peer review. So I have responded to your draft and some of you had a little bit more work to do. Most of you had really great drafts started. So you're engaging in the peer review, which starts today. So here's the peer review assignment, and you can see that I have added everyone who has completed a draft and submitted it to me to a group. The groups are here. So you can find your group members, you see their email addresses there, and you should share your document with them. Please make sure you take time to explain to your group what your needs are as a writer. What can your readers do to help you make your paper better? If you have any time constraints, please explain them to your group members. Maybe your group might want to get together and do this on a Zoom or on a telephone call or review at the same time. Maybe you have certain things that you're worried about that you would like your group members to check in with you about. Feel free to leave your group members comments in your piece or ask them questions. This is a time when you're really focused on helping each other make your work better. So I've included the assignments here, and you should write up a summary for me that tells me how it goes when you finish. Let me know what your group members said about your paper, maybe what you commented on their work. I just want a short paragraph that kind of tells me how it went. If somebody didn't participate, reach out to them a couple times. You might also contact them with their phone number from the class directory, but if you really don't hear from somebody, let me know. There could be something else going on, and I should check in with that person. So I hope you all have a great week. I'll be in my office hours later on today, and I'm sorry, my office hours are tomorrow. I will be in my office hours tomorrow from noon to 2, so you can check in with me then if you have questions, and you can always schedule an appointment with me to meet any other time. I hope you're all doing well in your career research projects and learning a lot. Take care and check in if you have questions.